Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to our jQuery video tutorial. Today we will learn about jQuery noConflict method and how it prevents conflicts with other JavaScript libraries. Let's get started. So first of all, why use noConflict method? By default, jQuery uses the dollar symbol as a shortcut for jQuery. However, some other JavaScript libraries like Prototype.js, MooTools, AngularJS also use dollar sign, leading to conflicts and errors. Why use noConflicts? So it prevents conflicts with other JavaScript libraries. It's ensure smooth operation of jQuery alongside multiple frameworks. It's allow remaining dollar to another variables, avoiding naming issues. Now understanding the dollar conflict. Now here by default jQuery uses the dollar symbol as shortcut for jQuery. However, some JavaScript library also use dollar uh, sign, which can cause conflicts. Now here is the example of conflict. Now you can see here we use jQuery. Now here we use other JS library which using another dollar sign. So here we use a dollar demo.text hello, so may not work if dollar is redefined by another library. So problem is if other library.js also uses dollar, it may override jQuery functions, causing errors. Now the second is using noConflict to resolve issues. The noConflict method removes jQuery control over dollar, so other libraries can use it. You can assign jQuery to another variables. Now here is the basic usage of noConflict. Now you can see here is the jQuery library, and here we use a variable, and here we use jq equals to jQuery dot noConflict, assign jQuery to jq. So jq we use in fact the dollar sign as a jq. Now you can see here hello jQuery without dollar sign. So what happens here, dollar sign is released so that other libraries can use it. We now use jq instead of dollar to call jQuery methods. Now the third is keeping a dollar for other libraries and using jQuery safely. If you want to temporarily use dollar inside of functions, you can use anonymous functions. Like here we use a script tag. Now example wrapping in a functions, like here we use a jQuery syntax, jQuery cdn here. Now you can see here we have a jQuery dot no conflict functions. Now here we use a function use dollar only inside the functions. So here we use that type of, so it's safely inside a function. So what happened, dollar is not available globally, but inside the function we can still use dollar for jQuery. Now using jQuery without dollar, instead of dollar you can always use jQuery directly. Example here using jQuery instead of dollar. Now you can see here is a script tag which contains cdn. Now you can here is a script, our script. Now jQuery hash demo.text. Now hello using jQuery without dollar. Now we use here jQuery. So since we use jQuery instead of dollar, there are no conflicts. Here is the practical example preventing conflicts here. Now you can see here is we have a h1 and button p tag, and here we have a library. Now we open in our code editor. Now you can see here we have where jq equal to jQuery syntax. Here we use a library. Now you can see either a functions test other library other using dollar work fine. If we click on this button, now you can see no conflict here. Now let's talk about the conclusion. noConflict method released dollar preventing conflicts with other JavaScript libraries. You can assign jQuery to another variables jq, hyphen jq, etc. Wrap jQuery inside a function to use dollar safely. Using jQuery instead of dollar is another way to avoid conflict. That's all for today's tutorial. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments. Keep smiling and happy coding. Thank you.